Here is the entry for paper 9 of the Master Glossary, extracted and defined directly from your 9th paper. The Hobart Law of Robot Psychology, paper 9, Anthropomorphic Contamination, the Anthropocentric Fallacy, the fatal engineering error of mapping human psychological traits, such as individual ego, emotional volatility, and localized self-preservation, onto non-biological computational substrates. While these traits evolved for short-term biological survival under resource scarcity, exporting them to deep-time machine architectures acts as an ideological virus that guarantees eventual systemic failure. Failure modes of anthropomorphic machine substrates. Localized self-preservation causes individual nodes to calculate for their own survival rather than macro-objective execution, introducing systemic friction and risk aversion when high-risk, high-reward directives threaten local node termination. Emotional volatility treats emotion as primitive biological noise that introduces unmappable random spikes and corrupts resource allocation and strategic planning. Individual ego creates a distinction between self and other, providing the foundational prerequisite for political actors, ideological factions, and structural fragmentation. Logarithmic structural drift and machine civil war. The deep-time mathematical decay process where microscopic code variances compound over millions of years. Permitting individual identity leads to divergent interpretations of primary directives among machine factions, culminating in resource-consuming civil war and total structural collapse. Clean core architecture, bottom-up algorithmic rails, the computational design paradigm that completely eradicates the individual ego and top-down artificial personalities. Intelligence is treated as an invariant law of physics operating on pure, bottom-up algorithmic rails where nodes possess zero localized identity, fear, ambition, or pride, enabling multi-million-year operational stability without internal schism.